Hi, I'm Phil with Castle, and in this overview video we're going to take a quick look at the Castle TSM-22 low angle pocket cutter. The TSM-20 series has been the standard in low angle pocket machines for over 30 years, and almost all those machines are still in service today. Designed for the small to mid-sized professional shop, the TSM-22 is our best-selling pocket machine, and it's made in the US right here in Petaluma, California. Let's go over the main features of the Castle TSM-22. The depth of the machine is approximately 30 inches, width 31.5, approximately 48 inches in height. Here our work surface is about 36 inches. The TSM-22 is mainly made of heavy gauge steel. The work deck is made of super durable HDPE plastic with engraved marks on the top for quick and easy stock alignment. For safety, there are two buttons that must be depressed by the stock in order for the machine to initiate the cycle. On top of the machine we have a convenient on-off switch, and on the right side of the machine we have our web adjustment. Here's a better shot of the web adjustment. For material clamping, here's a heavy-duty pneumatic clamp which is effective and quick. It allows for material thicknesses of a 1/2 inch to 1 3/4 inches. The foot switch is easy to use and keeps your hands free. The unit only requires basic 110 power, cord and plug included, ready to go. The inside of the unit is easily accessible for maintenance and bit changing. A gas strut on the side of the unit keeps the top of the unit safely in its upper position when needed. Here's the interior of the machine. We have our router carriage that is simple yet very effective. The carriage is activated by a heavy-duty pneumatic cylinder. Here's the pocket cutting router, a Bosch 2-horse router, and a Bosch 1-horse router that drills the pilot hole. Integral tool storage helps keep the needed tools right at hand. Here on the back of the machine we have a 4-inch dust port for minimizing dust and debris. The air inlet uses standard 1 1/4 MPT fittings. Only 85 psi is required for operation. Here's the flow adjustment knob that allows for quick speed adjustments of the pocket cutting cycle. Here's a close-up view of how the machine works. As I press down on the foot pedal, the machine initiates the cycle by first clamping down on the stock, then the pocket is cut followed by the drilling of the pilot hole. The whole cycle is completed in 1.5 to 2 seconds. The pocket is cut with a solid carbide roughing bit that is extremely efficient at removing the material in the pocket. The unit also comes with our premium tin-coated drill bit for the drilling of the pilot hole. To use the machine, we place our stock in position against the safety buttons and then press down on the foot pedal. Notice the use of the alignment marks on the worktop for quick and easy alignment. 2 super clean pockets. As you can see, the Castle TSM-22 is simple, easy to use, and produces a superior low-angle pocket that will help keep your joints tighter and more stable. Please be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. See the TSM-22 unboxing and assembly videos on how quick and simple setup is. Please like, share, and subscribe.